Hello, students. We've talked about the letter C that has two sounds. Most of the time, K. C says K. But if the C is followed by I, E, or Y, then it borrows the sound of the S and says S. This one was K, and this one is S. Now, we've also studied the letter G. And just like C, G has two sounds. Most of the time, G, G, G. But if it's followed by the I, the E, or the Y, then it borrows the sound of the J, and it sounds like J, J. So giraffe and gender and gym. But most of the time, G, girl, go, game. So let's look at this with the letter A. G with the letter A is ga, gat, gat. Oh, remember the W. Aw, gaw, gawk. Gash, gash. A gash is like a big cut. Gath, gath. Gap, gab. Gab, gab. Gab is to talk. Ah, were you two gabbing? Gad, gav. Gas, like you put in the car. Gasoline, gas. This is a good word to remember the G sound with. Gas, gas. Gax, not really a word. All right, but with the A, the G says G. With the O, the G says G still. G-a-t, got. Gow, not really a word. Gosh. Goth, this is a word. Gop. Gob. God, God as in Allah or Jehovah. Gov or gov. Goss, gawk. Okay, so G with A says G. G with O says G. And G with U says G. Let's put in an M here. Gum. Gut. Another word for your stomach. For your stomach. Gut. That's nothing. Gush. Gush. For water to come pouring out. Gush. Guth. Gup. Gub. Gud. Gov. Gus. Gus is a man's name. Gus. So we would use a capital G. Gus. All right. So with the A, with the O, with the U, whoops, the U, the O, the A, maybe with an L like glove, the G will say G. But if we're seeing it with an E, then the sound changes and it becomes more like J. It sounds like j, 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 gentle, gender, genuflect. Just some words that begin with j. Gem. So this ring has a gem in it. A diamond is a gem. Gem. Jet. Jep. Jeb. Jed. Jev. Jess. Okay? With the E, this sounds like the J. J, E. With the I, it also sounds like J. Jis. Jish. Jith. Jiv. Jid. Jib. Jip. Jit. Jim. Okay? And with the Y, like the word gym or gyro, something good to eat. All right, so G sometimes sounds like G, most of the time G. But sometimes with a Y, with an E, then it changes the sound and is J, gem, gem. All right? So practice the sound of G, two sounds, G, G, Ga, Ga, but J, J, J. Two sounds. All right? Two sounds for the G. G, or with the I, E, or the Y, J. Practice this. Listen and read the short syllables that we made here. Okay? Some of them are words, some are not. But they will help you to be able to recognize when to say G and when to say Ja. See you next time.